Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the fingerprint unlock in this device. So in this device I already set one pattern screen lock. So before set the fingerprint unlock we need to set the screen lock. You can set the 4 to 16 numeric password, otherwise alphanumeric password or pattern screen lock. So here I select the option the pattern screen lock. I set the pattern screen lock in this device. Now I will show you how to enable the fingerprint unlock in this device. For this, go to settings and tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down, tap on device unlock, tap on the option face and fingerprint unlock, then select the option fingerprint. So here we need to enter the current screen lock. Okay, so now you can see the fingerprint scanner is enabled in this device. The procedure of the fingerprint scanner: first we need to touch the fingerprint scanner. Now you can see the fingerprints. When the fingerprint scanner detect your finger, then you can feel one vibration, then lift the finger, again touch. Okay, then again you will feel the vibration, then you lift the finger, again touch. Continue this procedure until this scanner will complete. That's it. Tap on done. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device, try to unlock. Now you can see they are asking for the fingerprint unlock. Touch this fingerprint unlock, you can see it is unlocked. Again I will show you. You can see. So simply in this way you can enable the fingerprint unlock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.